Today we're looking at Standard Bank and more specifically at its first half year results of 2024. At the overview of the environment, so Africa, part of Standard Bank, did quite well in the past or recent past now, and now the outlook in SA is starting to improve. So our thinking is a bit just on this dynamic that just the SA compared to Africa part, we're favoring a bit more on the SA side. On the interest rate front, across Africa regions, including South Africa, the expectations are mainly for interest rates to decrease in the near term. And this should help them on the impairment side, so it should alleviate some pressure on consumers. On that front, then it should allow for some credit growth. And also, if the economy is doing better due to low interest rates, that would also help on the non-interest revenue part as well. On a valuation front, Standard Bank is trading at the lower end of its 10-year average. If we look at a PE ratio, however, it's at an average point if you look at the past 5 years. We have a buy recommendation on Standard Bank, as we still have upside on its intrinsic value, and that's basically as we see still some slight earnings growth in the near term, and we also see a potential further increase in the PE ratio based on the improving environment that we're currently seeing in South Africa. So what would change our mind or some of the risks? If the Africa front, there's more, let's say, impairments or currency devaluations and those type of risks that you get with these countries, or if the credit outlook is worse. Especially we're thinking the credit impairments should improve going forward. So if there's a chance that it potentially deteriorates. Also, Standard Bank is a bit more sensitive to interest rates, so its net interest margin being more sensitive. So if the increase or the decrease in interest rate has a larger impact on its net interest margin decreasing than the impact that it would have on the impairments that should decrease, or the loan growth that would come of it, or potentially the on the non-interest revenue side benefit of it.